Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How is everyone? I hope all of you are good and having a lovely time, and if you're away as well, hopefully you have a lovely time. In today's video I will be testing and reviewing this eyeshadow palette, and this is from UCANBE, and I also have this painting palette as well from UCANBE. So yeah, I will be testing and reviewing this too. So if you want to see my opinion and how I create this makeup look and how this perform on my eyelids, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette from the UCANBE and it's called Blue Tonic. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I mean, I love the packaging, and it has this holographic writing, as you can see, and inside I think it's just an absolute gorgeous eyeshadow palette. I mean, they have some really bold colors again. Lately I'm in this type of shades, and yeah, I cannot wait to test this out. UCANBE is cruelty free, so you have here in back of the eyeshadow palette. You also have the ingredients. It's made in China and it has 15 shades. I'm gonna do some swatches next so you can see, because I'm really curious as well how this formula is. I did try another eyeshadow palette from them before, and the formula was really great and creamy, and the colors were really pigmented. So I'm really curious if this is the same high quality like the one that I did tested before. So I'm starting with the first row. This is like a really nice light color matte. I think you can actually, if you want to set your eye base, you can use this color. So it's a matte color. By the way, there's no shade names, guys. As you can see, it's just the shades. Okay, next color, it's another matte, and it's this really nice brown color. Then we have a shimmer, which seems like I think it seems like a dual chrome. I don't know if you can see, like it's a silver but it has some blue shimmers in it. Next one, I think it's a matte one, so it's a really nice dark color. Then we have this nice blue. This is really pigmented, by the way, guys. This is a matte. Now let's move on to the second row. This is a, I don't know what color is this. It's between a blue and a gray, something like that. Next is a really light blue, like a sky blue. Next color is another matte. Then we have a shimmer, which seems promising. Yeah, and it seems really creamy and pigmented, as you can see, guys. Another matte blue. By the way, they're really powdery, guys. So they're pigmented but powdery when you take it from the pan. And as you can see, guys, they do stain a bit. So we will see if they're gonna stain the skin or not, because sometimes it can stain the skin, but we will see. So I'm swatching now the last row. This is another shimmer. Seems alright. Then is another matte, quite pigmented, a more deep blue type of shimmer. Okay, the next color is actually a pressed glitter, and it's the only pressed glitter in the palette. And this is how it looks like, guys. It seems like it has multiple colors, so it's not just one. I don't know if you can see it. So yeah, this one you can actually look really nice on top. It has quite dual chrome. And the last color, it's the deepest shade in here, and this is more like, I don't know, on a cooler side. By the way, guys, they don't smell in the pan, but when I did swatch them, they do have a, I don't know how to explain it. It's a smell on your skin, but it's like a gas or something kind of smell. It's not really intense, but it's there. It's definitely there when you swatch it. This is the smell that came over. Really weird. Anyway, okay, guys, I did prime my eyelids and I used this pomade from L'Oreal Infallible. So this is like a concealer. This is in the shade white. And this is how it looks like. So I think this is a quite good dupe after the NARS or the MAC concealers. And they perform really well on my eyelids, by the way, and they have good coverage. And it's a fraction of the price anyway. I'm actually starting with this grey, really dark grey type of shade. I think I want to do a hollow eye. And I don't know, just grab my attention. Concealer, it's quite good as eye base. I'm using my fingers and I'm dabbing in this shade in here. The shimmers, they're not extremely pigmented. I mean, not all of them anyway. And next, I think exactly on the center of my eyelid, I am gonna use this color, which I think is gonna pop, yeah, more beautiful. Yeah, this is really pigmented, guys. This is definitely more pigmented than the other one. I'm using this mustard color. I'm going back in that gray, dark gray in here. On my lower lash line, I think I'm going with this really dark blue. Okay, I'm gonna go with a bit of a eyeliner in my waterline. And I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll come back with the finished look. You know, guys, I completely forgot I have another product from them to test, and this is the ATHENA painting palette from UCANBE. So it's like a face palette, but I actually bought it to use it as an eyeliner. So as you can see, it has some really gorgeous shades in here, and I want to dig into this as well. Maybe I'll do some eyeliner on the top or something. I'm gonna try this blue in here. It's quite easy to apply. I know Victoria, another YouTuber I'm following, she tried this eyeshadow palette, not eyeshadow palette, this painting palette, and she quite enjoyed it. And I wanted to try it myself because she did some really nice and creative looks with this, and I needed something as well to, I don't know, something colorful to play with. It does seem to smudge away your eyeshadow in here, probably because this is oil based, and usually the oil will break out any makeup. But let's see if I can build this up further so it doesn't break up. Now I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my face, guys, and I will come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so let's talk about this product. Let's start first with the eyeshadow palette. Packaging wise is really gorgeous. I mean, the colors are really nice. I did enjoy it. I think I can give it like a 6.5 out of 10, because first of all, it does stain. So whenever I use my fingers, I can't wash it off apparently. So I think my eyes will look pretty blue even after I use makeup remover. And so that's a minus for me, because if it stains, and probably it's gonna stain my brushes as well, and it's gonna take some time to properly wash them. Second of all, I've noticed a smell on the eyeshadow palette. Not when I mean, it did smell when I swatched them, when I actually put it on my skin, but not when I took it with my finger. It doesn't smell on the palette, but when I did swatch it, it had a really horrible smell. It's not a predominant smell, but it's there, you can't ignore it. So I don't know if it's just this eyeshadow palette, like I got it from a bad batch, or I don't know what happened, because it's just, I was concerned it smelled gas in my house. This is how it actually smelled, and when I actually smelled my arm on the swatches, this is how they smelled. So it's a bit, you know, why it should smell like that? It shouldn't. Regarding the mattes, they were right, they blended really nicely. Didn't have any issues with that. But with the shimmers, I've noticed this is the only shade that actually was really creamy and nice, and this one as well. So more like the teal type of blues. The other ones, so these two in here, I wasn't that impressed. It doesn't have a lot of shimmers anyway. It has like these two in here, which are not really shimmery, and then you have this two in here and this in here, and this is the glitter. So these two that I've used, I literally try to build it up the color a lot and pack it. And even if I had like a blue base underneath, a wet base underneath, yeah, I know I have blue eyes now. I had a wet base underneath, and still, I don't know, it took some time. Even you can see that it fades away when you swatch it or whatever. So yeah, I don't know what to say about this. I think I'm a bit disappointed, because I was really excited when I saw this online, because I bought it from Amazon. And the other eyeshadow palette that I still have from them, which is the Spotlight from UCANBE, it's a huge eyeshadow palette. That was really nice. I mean, performed really well, and everything was pigmented. So yeah, I think I can rate it 6.5 out of 10, because I said I'm a bit disappointed with the fact that, first of all, it smells. It has a really horrible smell when you swatch it. It didn't smell when I actually applied it on my eyelids, which was weird. So I don't know. And also the fact that it stains. So as you can see, guys, even if I wiped it off, it didn't came off. So hopefully it's not gonna stain my eyelids. We'll see. Regarding this, again, I expected a bit more, to be honest. I mean, when Victoria, hi Victoria if you're watching this, swatched this, she used it on her eyelids. She created a really nice look with it. She did say that you have to set this because it's transfer if it's not. And to be honest, I did apply this on top of a powder, so on top of the eyeshadow, and it takes time to build it up. I mean, I took a lot of product to actually create these lines, and it still feels like it's sheer. And in here somewhere on this part, it actually wipes out your makeup. So if your eyeshadow, like, because they're oil based, it literally wipes out your eyeshadow. So I don't think I should use this for eyeliners anymore. Yeah, this is the reason why I actually bought it, to use it as a color for eyeliners and play with it. But because I can't use it on my eyelids, I don't want to use it on my face anyway, because that's not the reason I bought it. So probably, yeah, you can actually use it as a face painting if you don't have any makeup underneath, and then if you can set it with a powder, then this will stay. But without setting it, as you can see, guys, it did transfer already on my eyelids. I don't know if you can see it. So because I blinked or whatever, it did create like a involuntary cut crease or something, which is not really great, because I want something, if I use it like as an eyeliner, to be, you know, there and not move around. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of a mess. Work out eventually, because I can see even my eyelashes are not sticking properly because of that eyeliner I have. It feels like they're peeling off. I mean, they're not sitting properly. Let me know. I know Victoria tried this already and she did enjoy it. I don't know if I did something wrong with it. It's just I didn't like it. As an eyeliner, I don't like it. Probably if I just use it on my face as a painting kit or whatever, it will perform differently, but it's not gonna stay on. As I said, it just transfers and it's quite sheer, and the fact that whatever I applied it, when I put it the eyelashes, they just try peeling off. I think on this eye you can see it better that it did transfer here a bit. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will actually mean a lot to me, and your support will actually make me grow my channel, so thank you in advance. Also, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I'll see you next time, guys, and take care. Bye.